He's someone that you could respect. He's a good friend. If he's having a bad day, let him have his time. He works hard to keep the family now.
Hi Sifu, Wachawa Todia Katinentola, Wabitu, Sifu Yodoma, Dr. Kashia. Hey Sifu, I just want to say thanks. Camp was fun with you, and I look forward to having greater times with you, and hopefully we can work together and help improve our church.
I just want to thank you for baptizing me. I just want to know that we all love you guys. Hi, yes, Sifu and Sifu. Thank you for taking us for camp and always watching us there and checking in on us, making sure that we were okay, even when you guys are busy with your own duties there. I just want to thank you guys for that. Thank both of you for being such great pastors in your pastor's life, and I want to especially thank Yasifu for giving me encouraging words during camp too.
Is cool. Sifu is the best. Sifu is funny.
Sifu is humble.
Sifu is well spoken. Thank you, Sifu.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Ini untuk tasu bang. Sudah ada kaya bang.
Really good at showing me how to go through with my life. If I'm doing something wrong, he'll try his best to correct me. He'll still slowly show me the way to become better.